Hi everyone, it's Lloyd from Maps Optimizer. This is a quick video to take you over the folder structure of GMB Engage and the number of CSV files. As it seems, I've confused a few of you with the number of CSV files in the CSV Files folder of GMB Engage. In this video, I will explain how we set up CTR campaigns for your GMB listings using just one CSV file and the engagement traffic tab of GMB Engage. But first, let me explain the folder structure. So each folder refers to a named tab in the software. So we've got referrer traffic, URL traffic and engagement traffic, which refers to each tab within the software. Within the engagement traffic folder, we have 3 additional folders. These folders are named after each route we can use to engage with our GMB listings. So we've got 01 route KP, which is using the knowledge panel for engagements. We've got 02 route maps, which is using maps.google for engagements. And we've got 03 route organic, which is using Google organic search for engagements. We have 3 different routes that can be used to engage with our GMB listings. This gives us a total of 18 different engagement types. In this video, I will be concentrating on the 01 route KP folder. There are 8 CSV files in the folder, which is 001 KP traffic campaign master. Then there are individual campaign master CSV files, which are photos, KP map, website, products, category, reviews, posts, and there will be an 8th or there will be a 9th CSV file, which will be the directions campaign. Once the directions engagement type has been tested. So basically, the 7 named campaign type CSV files are how I test each engagement type when updates have been applied. You can delete these files if you want, just leaving the 001 KP traffic campaign master file. Once I have all the engagement types working for each route, we can use a single CSV file for our CTR traffic campaigns and include each route and engagement type. At the moment, we're using the KP route type with the following engagements, which are photos, KP map, website, products, category, reviews, posts, and again directions when available. Now you can add each engagement type to the same CSV file. Now let me show you what I mean by that. So if we have the KP traffic campaign master file open, you can easily add each engagement type by adding the engagement type name to the engagement column, as you can see on the screen at the moment. Now you can add multiple client GMBs to the same file. So what I think the confusion has been is because of the number of CSV files in the KP route folder. So you really only need to use one file, and you can add each individual engagement type to the CSV file. Now, what we're also going to be able to do once I have all the route and engagement types fully tested, we can easily add organic and map CTR engagement types to the same file. So all you need to do is put in your project name. Now, if you want to do organic type engagements, all you need to do is change the name to organic. Use your local search engine. As I'm in the UK, I'll use google.co.uk. And then what you can do is change your search term. GMB to locate and click would be the GMB name that you're targeting, and then enter in the engagement type. Which would be any one of the 7. Enter in the engagement time, which is the initial dwell time. So let's pick up on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Enter in your dwell time. Come on. Enter in your target URL dwell time. Enter in the number of visits required for this keyword to this GMB. And when the software runs, the number of visits, last visit timestamp, and date from timestamp will be updated. Make sure you've got your project name as well. And the same will apply for the map route. Once I've fully tested all the engagements within the map route, we'll then be able to add in a map route using google.co.uk, and then again what you can do is simply select your search term or enter in your search terms. Make sure you've got a map route and a local search engine targeting the GMB that you're targeting, and then enter in the engagement type. Again, make sure you've got your engagement time and your dwell time entered into the columns. And then the number of visits required for that keyword for that particular GMB. And this is how you can add multiple multiple route types, and using the various different engagement types that the software has at the moment. Now you can add in multiple clients, you can use multiple route types. If you've got different clients in the UK, the US, Australia, Canada. You can enter in the local search engine, obviously enter in the search terms, enter in the GMB that you wish to target, that the software finds and clicks on, enter in your engagement types, enter in your engagement time, and then your dwell time, and then enter in the number of visits you wish the software to perform for each search, for each GMB. And what I also do is to randomize the search type and the route type, and especially the engagements. The best way to randomize the list is if we place the cursor in column N, do equals rand open and close brackets, we get a random time, we get a random set of numbers, sorry. Double click it, so each engagement type has a random number next to it. Highlight the sheet, go to data, and then click sort. Make sure that you select my data has headers, and then column M, and then either smallest to largest. As you can see, the route type has changed from just being one route and then another route and then another. You can also change that to data by largest, and again it'll change. So that's another little trick that I like to use to randomize the engagement types for if you're targeting a single GMB. But you can do that as well if you're targeting multiple GMBs. All you need to do is highlight column N, right click and delete. And then obviously click on File, Save As. And then you can actually name this a client name. So if you've got different clients, you can change this to a client's name. Just click on Save, click OK, and that will then run through the software once all the route types are completed. I hope this video has helped you understand how we can easily use a single CSV file for all your GMB CTR traffic campaigns. Thanks everyone.